Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you where are the coolant reservoirs. This car is equipped with two coolant reservoirs. One for the petrol engine and one for the EV engine. To find them, take a look at the left side of engine compartment. Coolant reservoirs are located right here. Usually the small one is for the hybrid engine. Remember, do not open it when the coolant is still hot, because this can affect the burst of the coolant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.